All right, stop what you're doing, because I'm about to ruin the image of the old-fashioned that you used to. No, seriously. I might really ruin this one, because Gina's back. Back again. And today, my husband decided to put a twist on your typical old-fashioned. So, I love to call this one Daddy's old-fashioned. Do you love it? Love it. Let's get to those ingredients. Jack Daniel's, simple syrup, bitters, maraschino cherries, orange slice, fresh berries, and razzleberry preserve. It is not traditional, but it is delicious. Grab your shaker, drop in an orange slice, then add in 2 of your cherries, then add in a 1/4 teaspoon of that delicious razzleberry preserves. We'll be adding in a 1/4 ounce of simple syrup, 2 dashes of bitters. Muddle this together real good. Then I'll be adding in 1½ ounce of your Jack Daniel's. Oh, hey look, Daddy gave me ice balls. I love it. Now go ahead and garnish with your berries. All right, guys, so I've been waiting this whole night. It's time for taste time. Super excited. But, you know, I don't want to really put my lips on the glass. My husband said you should never use a straw, but I don't listen to him. I listen to Gina. That's a good one. Whew. I mean, it's gonna bite. It's strong, but I love it. I love strong. Now I know why he said don't use a straw, because I just inhaled a bunch of fruit with the straw. So maybe I should listen to him. Sip it like this. All right, we're gonna have some fun later tonight. I'm very excited. This drink's a good one. All right, so please like, subscribe, follow, do what you gotta do, hit the bell so you know when I got a next video going on. Also, head over to Facebook and Instagram. You can check out the Jen and Gina show. Take pictures of if you make this drink, tell us what you think. We'd love to hear the feedback. And be sure to check out my next video, guys. See you soon. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this drink recipe and you want to keep drinking, go ahead and click over here with Gina. If you want to start cooking, go ahead and click over here and go see my girl Jen. If you haven't subscribed already, number 1, why not? But number 2, just go ahead and click the button here. I love it.